Hi, let's look at an example of comparing side-by-side box plots. So instead of looking at a histogram and box plot for one single set of data, we can compare different groups using box plots side by side. So here they're vertical, which sometimes you see them vertical as well as horizontal. And we've got cumulative college GPA, and then I think this is just a title over here because the width of a box plot or height doesn't have any scale. So it says the side-by-side box plots show the cumulative college GPAs for sophomores, juniors, and seniors taking an intro stats course. Okay, which class had the lowest cumulative GPA? Okay, so if we look, this is going from lowest to highest, which we would expect. Lower is usually lower, and it looks like someone in the junior class, one or more people, it's hard to tell how many, one or more people had this lower GPA. So then trying to estimate it, it's kind of handy to have a straight edge or something, a ruler, so just that we're just going to make an estimate. So let's see. Let's try to figure out the scale here. 150 or 1.5, 2.0. If I can't figure it out, I'm going to subtract the 2. So what's 2.25? It's 0.75. Okay, so it's kind of like going up by 0.25, so that's 0.75. So let's cut this into thirds. That way this would be 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. Okay, so if this, then this would be 1.75 and 2.0. Okay, so we're just estimating here, it's maybe around 1.6. So the juniors, so one or more juniors had the lowest cumulative of about 1.6. Okay, so we're just getting practice reading these box plots. Which class had the highest median GPA, and what is that GPA? So do you remember where the median is in the box plot? That's what we need to know. If you said the middle bar, so these two look about the same, don't they? I'm going to skip over that one. Those two look about the same, whereas this one is a little higher. So this is the median. So it looks to be just under 3.25, so maybe 3.2. The sophomore class has the highest median GPA at about, what did I say, 3.2? Okay. Okay, so far? So which class had the largest range for GPA, and what is it? Okay, remember what the range is overall? It's the max minus the min. So it's the entire length of the box plot. So which one's the longest? Juniors is the longest because they're lowest. These three, it looks like they all go up to 4.0 because these are going by 0.25s. Can't get any higher unless maybe some colleges have a little bump for a plus, an A plus. But generally 4.0 is the highest you can get. So 4.0 minus what we said here, 1.6. So the juniors have the largest range. And let's do 4.0 minus 1.6. 2.4. That's a huge difference in GPA. We're only talking about a 4-point scale. Which class has the most symmetric set of GPAs and also the most skewed set of GPAs? Now, if you want to turn it on its side, if you're used to looking at it horizontally, that's totally fine. Which one's the most symmetric, would you say? So we're looking for the box, we're looking for the whiskers to be about equal, and then the median, if it was perfectly symmetric, the median would be halfway in the middle of the box. So what I notice is this whisker is quite a bit longer than that one. And these, this one looks a little longer to me than that one. I would probably say the seniors have the most symmetric, even though it's not, this isn't completely in the middle. The box is more in the middle of the whiskers. All right, this seems a little longer. So I would say seniors have the most symmetric. And what about the most skewed? What do you think? So there we're looking for the longest section. Not that one. So it's not seniors. It's either sophomores or juniors. So this is pretty short right there. So that's saying it goes up, rises up pretty steeply. Then this is longer, longer, longer. Whereas this is longer, longer. I'd probably say the sophomores is the most skewed. Let me check. Yeah, that's what I said before too, so that's good. Okay, so try example 5, and then I'll see you in the next video.